Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make 豚とナスのオイスターソース炒め。It's pork and eggplant, stir-fried with oyster sauce. Very simple dish using very simple ingredients, but the outcome is surprisingly delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with the dish, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 to 3 eggplant, depending on the size. 400 grams of thinly sliced pork, any part you like, but it's very thinly sliced, like shabu-shabu style. 1 tablespoon each of sake, garlic paste, Chinese soup stock or chicken stock, and sesame oil. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 2 teaspoons of potato starch or cornstarch. I'm going to cut the eggplant first. Cut the top off and remove this. Cut it into 4 long way. Then into 2 or 3 depending on the length. And release them in cold water, just plain water. Same for the other 2. Let's make the seasoning mixture. So prepare 100 ml of cold water, garlic, sake, Chinese soup stock, sesame oil, oyster sauce, and potato starch. Give it a mix. And the seasoning mixture is ready, so it's time to stir fry. Put about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and eggplant, not with the water, only the eggplant, in the frying pan. The heat is off. Mix it so the eggplant is coated with the vegetable oil. Then turn the heat on and saute them until it's slightly browned. Looks good. So let's add the pork. And just keep cooking until the pork is well cooked. Once the pork is all brown and well cooked, turn off the heat and let's add the seasoning mixture. Give it a mix one last time because the starch is sinking at the bottom. Mix it. Turn the heat back on and cook for a minute. This is totally optional, but if you like, you can add some sliced green onion. I always have this sliced green onion in my freezer, so I'm going to add this. But you can of course use fresh green onion. Let's serve on the plate. And 豚とナスのオイスターソース炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting.いただきます。The beauty of the dish is the eggplant, and the pork is just a umami booster here. The eggplant soaked up all the porky flavor and it's so juicy. Absolutely delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚とナスのオイスターソース炒め is a main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and kabocha miso soup or any soup you like here. The main is rich, so let's have something refreshing for the side dishes. How about sunomono for one of them and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!